Any hope of SDC stock short squeeze? So Smile Direct Club Inc. stock closed at $4.21, a gain of 0.48%, and we have that Q4 reported earnings were minus 0.23, a $0.06 miss. This is a 155.56% decrease over non-GAAP results from the same period a year ago. So it may be quite disappointing there. So yes, is there any chance this short squeeze will happen? Yes, it looks like it can always happen. Right now the stock has been beaten down. The underlying trend has remained bearish for some time now. Has remained bearish even with all the popularity it has gotten. It has continued to remain bearish even up to the last 10 trading sessions, up to the last 5 trading sessions. The underlying trend has been very much bearish. So right now the sellers have the upper hand, the short sellers, and the sellers they're in control right now. The short interest, we can see what it is on short squeeze. They are saying that it's 32.74%. The implication of that is a bullish is that it has a bullish implication. That amount of short interest, it has bullish implications. So market participants, buyers will continue to circle, even though at the moment sellers are in charge. They have taken control. They have been in control for a long time now. So it will always continue to attract buyers. At some point there will be some squeeze. It will happen at some point, but by how much? Would it be like the sort of squeezes we have seen with the legendary green GameStop and AMC? It may not. It mustn't be like that. What is certain is that this is there. This short interest is there. It's just a skepticism towards the stock, and you want that all balanced out. You want that in place, because whilst that skepticism is there, you'll also find people who are not skeptics, people who are against that skepticism. They come as well because they want to flush out that money. They want to take advantage of that money locked up in the form of short interest in the stock. So this is a very good stock to watch. The underlying trend is a bearish one. Current caution is still very much warranted. So easily, you can see on this daily chart it is trading below all of its moving averages. By certain metrics, it is not a good idea to buy the stock. By contrary implication, on the contrary, it can be deemed as a buy. It can be deemed as setting up a good opportunity to get in. That has it's clearly there for you to see. Indeed, also the stock can always continue to retrace further. It can always continue to retrace further. We have seen that it moved sideways. You would normally expect it to maybe break out to the upside, but it didn't. It suddenly broke down to the downside, and we have this not so wonderful earnings outcomes as well to make matters worse. So easily, we call it a cautious buy, just because of the short interests there, and because it's also trading at it's a significant discount to all of its moving averages, even on the 3-day chart, even on the 5-day chart. The underlying trend is still very much bearish. So right now you can see it is oversold. It's in the oversold territory. The implication of that is that the flip side of that is that if it's oversold, it will always come out from that condition into becoming probably tending towards being overbought. So right now the signals don't look good, but it's an opportunity to buy the dip. We can see that it says here that it appears to be consolidating within or a longer term downtrend. Shares are presently below the 200-day moving average, which is falling along with the 10-day moving average. Okay, and momentum is strongly bearish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is below 20, the level which many analysts call oversold. This means that investors have been actively selling shares and driving the price lower. Yes, the volume for this session, the 12th of November, 9.64 million shares across the tape, which is also in line with the 9.216 shares daily average over the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of the indicator is negative and suggests that there is a lack of buying interest. That there is a lack that buyers are more active than sellers are more active than buyers. So for this stock, we have a price target of $6.24 for the at least before this month, November 2021 runs out, or at least early early December 2021. We expect the stock to extend up to $6.24. So that's our price target within the next 1 month. Our price target is $6.24. So see what you make of SDC stock, and we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.